Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install VLC media player on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. First of all, open your favorite browser which you have in Windows 10 and search for VLC media player. Okay, and most probably the first link which will appear here will be from videolan.org. So this is the official website from where you can download this VLC media player. Just click this and here you will reach to the page where you will be able to see this download button. So just click this download button and it's going to start downloading this executable file. And it will not take much time to download this file. It's a small file and it will take few seconds to download. So I will wait for the download. It will take around 15 to 20 seconds to download. And once this file is downloaded, you just need to execute this file. So you just need to double click on this file and it will start installing VLC media player. So first of all, just click this yes button and I'm going to minimize my browser, and you can see the installation setup has been started and it's loading. And now you may want to choose your language in which you want to install VLC media player. I'm going to leave it as default. And now just click next, and these are the license terms and condition which you may want to agree with, and then click next and leave everything as default and click next. And this is the location where VLC media player will be installed, so just leave it as default. If you want to change the location, you can change it by clicking this browse button and choosing your location, but I will recommend leaving it as default and click install. And now when you see this message that the process for installing VLC media player is finished, then you can just leave this checkbox as checked, so it will launch VLC media player. And here when you click finish, it's going to launch VLC media player. Okay, and for the first time it will show you this message. Just click continue, and now you are ready to use VLC media player on your Windows 10 operating system. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.